Rumi quotes on love. Gamble everything for love if you are a true human being. Travel brings power and love back into your life. Lovers find secret places inside this violent world where they make transactions with beauty. Your heart and my heart are very, very old friend. In this world full of shapes, there you are with no form. Love is the whole thing, we are only pieces. Love will find its way through all languages on its own. Let the beauty of what you love be what you do. Reason is powerless in expression of love. I closed my mouth and spoke to you in 100 silent ways. Love is the cure, for your pain will keep giving birth to more pain until your eyes constantly exhale love as effortlessly as your body yields its scent. Words are pretext. It is the inner bond that draws one person to another, not words. Let yourself be drawn by the stronger pull of that which you truly love. I am yours. Don't give myself back to me. Only from the heart can you touch the sky. Whether you love God or you love a human being, if you love enough, you will come into the presence of love itself. Wherever you are and whatever you do, be in love. Love came and became like blood in my body. It rushed through my veins and encircled my heart. I will be waiting here for your silence to break, for your soul to shake, for your love to wake. Dance and make joyous the love around you. Dance, and your veils which hide the light shall swirl in a heap at your feet. Love is the water of life. Jump into this water. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel and like the video.